It's been 2 months. I've been gone. What have I been doing with my time? Well, for starters, 2 months without uploading is a pretty ridiculous. Is a pretty ridiculously long time. I mean, there should have been no excuse for me to be gone for that amount of time. And I don't have any. The simple fact is that I've started doing something called day trading. Day trading is when you spend your day doing either stocks, crypto, ETFs, not ETF, but stocks, crypto, NFTs, and stuff like that. Okay? Now, I've been doing crypto side. I trade on a platform called Coinbase, and I've been trading Solana, Litecoin, and stuff like that. If you don't understand what I'm saying, click off the video because it's going to get a crap ton more complicated than this. Now, that's what I've been doing. I've been also trying to hop on a fitness journey of mine where I'm trying to lose weight. I'm done with being overweight. I'm going to be honest. I'm done with this. Now, of course, I'm going to do... Now, what else is my channel known for? My channel is known for kind of techie, a little bit of a dash of gaming probably, and mostly tech reviews. I did the PS5, I don't think I did the Xbox one yet in the sense of unboxing wise. I don't think I've done either of those. I did the Nintendo Switch OLED. I've done all of that stuff, and I need to do a lot more, and I realize that I need to do a lot more than this. So I just wanted to make that message clear that number one, I'm going back to YouTube. Sorry for taking that long break. It's not essentially a break. I just stopped for no excusable reason. So uploads will be usual, but this series I'm starting is called Crypto Trading. It's called my journey. Because what's the goal of crypto trading? I want to earn some. I want to make some money, and I want you guys to join the journey with me. So today we're going to do a small video explaining about how my journey has gone and what are my plans for the future a little bit. Let's go on to the main video where I'm not pissed off. Alright, now on to the main video where now we are going to review Solana and we're going to review what happened today, and now I'm going to try to make more daily videos so that I can upload more and share my trading journey. Of course, I'm going to still do tech reviews, and I'm still going to do fun content, unboxings, reviews, maybe I'll do a review of this Veyron. Who knows? But what I am going to start doing is now trying to do weekly to daily uploading of what's going on right now on TradingView, Solana, crypto that I personally am trading. And I'll let you know my moves for the day. Hell, I might consider doing Twitch trading. I actually might hop on Twitch and start trading live. That's a consideration I have. So keep that in mind. If this video gets a few hundred likes, or if my series starts getting more and more popular, not a few hundred likes, that's impossible as of right now. But if this series increases a lot, sure, might as well do it. So now I'm going to move over to scene 1. So scene 1, we can see over here we have Solana. Proof right over here, and it's on Coinbase one, and I trade off of Coinbase, as you guys know. Let me move my face so it's not really disruptive. There you go, because there's nothing going on right there. It's an awkward angle, I know. I think right over here would be better. Yeah, right over there fits. So we can see over here that we got obviously our main chart. We got the RSI, Relative Strength Index, over here, and we also got our trading patterns. We have this one and we have this one. This one's by Trusted Brokers. And who made this one? CryptoTradingBook.com. CryptoTradingBook.com. So we have both of these ones that I've been using to trade for the past few months. Now, we just had a major increase in Solana. We went from about at its lowest when I started trading today. I think we were at about 1803. No, actually, we were a lot lower. If we all the way go back to if we go all the way back to hour 1, probably, we can see that the lowest probably was that point that I just showed. Okay, so this is today, and this is the most recent trade I can see. So today we started out really with what looked like, in my opinion, a flag over here. So you know what a flag looks like? It's basically when a bullish pattern happens where it goes up like that, and then it theoretically should have gone up. Now we can see a better depiction of a flag over here that makes a little bit more sense probably in everybody else's head. Now we can see I got screwed almost. I actually put in money right over here. I put about estimate about $5, and you can see I was just kind of in defeat for a while. I tried making an ascending triangle. You can see right over here. It's because it was kind of flatlined at the top and it was curved going up on the bottom. That ended up not working, and I just held on. And good thing I held on, cause right over here, stuff started getting real. Now here was my reason why I thought this flag was gonna work. You can see that on the relative strength index that we already had a massive overbought. You can see that there's a high green symbol over here. But then you can see that we dived down so much that the relative strength thing showed that it went to what? What did it say? It says negative. It's 9.83. $9.83 dollars. I don't know what numerage percentage is it running on, but that's essentially what we were running on. Now, you can see it hasn't been overbought yet. It got very close over here. So then that's when I drew the bullish flag and expected that this arrow would depict it going up after this one. So like I said, I put in money here and I was just in defeat until all the way over here. Now, yes, this is what I was doing. My sell point, of course, was going to be at the stop loss set at negative 1.86%, because if I'm going to make a losing trade, I'm going to make sure I lost it and make sure I don't. And good thing I did not set it some crap place like over here, because I would have probably sold it, realized I made a mistake, and a huge amount of profit would have been probably lost. You could see, I was just, like I said, I was just in defeat. And then that was just the Xbox. Then this happened. You can see a small kind of ascending scallop. It's hard to see, but an ascending scallop right over here that put this higher, and then a mini flag. It looks like a falling wedge kind of, and then you can see it went up and then up and then up until here. This is where we are now. Now I think I took home profit right over here, which I think I made about 12 cents profit, probably 12 cents profit in today on Solana. I made about 40 cents profit, so that's about $1 almost. I'll do the math on screen, but I didn't do the math immediately. But yeah, so I made an okay amount of profit today. This is probably one of my larger ones after a while. So yeah, then I sold over here. That's when I set my edge. I thought it was a rising wedge due to how it was drawn initially. Of course, now it's changed, but you can see how I kind of thought it was a rising wedge with the bottom line there. I think I was depicting it right over here. And then you can see it's kind of narrowing going out this way. Top entrance was over here. I referred to this one because you can see the entrance was over here. Boom, boom, boom. Narrowing, and I thought it was going to go down. I literally depicted that right over here. I saw it completely counterfeited that, completely went against it. So then I bought again, which now comes to where I kind of regret it. Now on my Coinbase app, it showed that when it hit its peak, I would have made about 0% profit, because even with, I have Coinbase One subscription, and there should be no fees. There's a tax at the end of an exit fee. So that means that as of right now, I've just kept it as it's been going down and down and down for right now, which I am kind of sad about. But this is kind of this exact pattern what you're seeing. It looks like a reverse megaphone. You can see a megaphone happens when it goes up and it's kind of even. When it's even going up and down. But you can see this was like going down and like widening. I really can't tell what it is. Now, if someone in the comments can give me advice about that, I would, of course, love that. But I also got to do my own research on that. And you can see this is with the chart resetted. This is, I think, is the past few hours. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in, and we're going to see if I should make a trade right now. So you can see that there are the two lines over there. So now that you know what's going on, I think here's what's happening. You can see I'm drawing it. And it's like this. And then if this goes out well, and it goes kind of on this line right over here, if it goes on this line, I'll know it's a cup and handle, because if you go back here, if you refer to this one, a cup and handle is when all three lines combined meet each other almost. So because it kind of met there and I kind of roughly drew it, if it meets there, then I know that the next move for this to go is up if I do this right. So like I said, I already have it on there. Let me see if I can find my phone and pull it up just in a second. Okay, yeah, this is like the one thing I can really show you. You can see that I have, let me move it. You can see I don't have that many assets, and you can see it went down. Like I said, I put $5 down and I lost 20 cents. This is without selling it. So the fee is also there. So yeah, so the of course ideal point would be probably, let's say here. So hold on, we invested over here, kind of. I'm gonna assume we're this one, and we are all the way over here. So let's increase it all the way, because it's probably going to tell us where we should have sold it. But yeah, you can see that that's technically a lot. Okay, there's no way I invested there. I had to invest like over here. For it to meet it all the way over here, I probably invested over here. Yeah, and it quickly went up, and I was thinking, oh wow, this is going to go up because it's bullish, I thought. I'm like, no, this is not bullish, after I realized that I made this huge loss. So I'm just setting I'm not actually going to act upon the stop loss right now, because what's the point of acting on a stop loss when you have already lost? So now ideal, we're going to try to make a low amount of 4.15% profit, because that's all we really need. If I can make a decent small profit off of this, hey, that's good for me, because that means that, okay, it's going reversal. Okay, what does that mean? I don't think that really changes much, does it? I'm not really sure. But here's what I do know. Let me change it. What I do know for a fact is that what I'm doing is now that the reason why I'm not going to act on that stop loss, that singular stop loss, is because, well, why would I need to act on that stop loss? How long I've been going for? 10 minutes? On that stop loss, because I've already lost. Why add more to a, hold on, where's that paper? I printed this out because I thought it was good. Never add to a losing trade. Now it says never add to a losing trade, and never trade anything you don't 100% trade. Like 100%, no. Never trade more than 1 or 2%. Trade your plan and stuff like that. It's just different rules that I've set up for myself. I know it's a bit cringe to have that paper, but that's what I actually genuinely use. Okay? So never add to a losing trade. They should probably add another one saying if you've already lost too much, keep it in there. Because here's the thing, in my experience, when I was losing before I had Coinbase One, the fees were destroying me, and I would still exit the trade thinking, oh, I'm a professional stop loss trader. I did exactly what this, let me pull it up. I did exactly what this sheet of paper told me to do. Set my stop loss, and when it was bearish, I sold at the right times. Now, of course, probably technically I should have been making profit back then, but I wasn't because of the goddamn fees. But yeah, so that's practically it for today. I just wanted to make a video about trading, stuff like that, and I made the intro, so you get my point. I'm going to be making more videos in the future, and I'm going to get right on top of it. I'm going to make videos about trading because this is something that I've actually wanted and I've loved for a very long time. I think since December 2022, I've been having the mindset of wanting to be a day trader. I finally get that opportunity, and I want to say something to a special someone, my dad. Bro, you helped me give me the access to what I love today. And you are giving me, and you have been honest with me about my trades, and you've been helping me a little bit in my ways. So thank you. I thank my mom for helping me set it up and earning. And yeah, that's practically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, this is one video that I'm never gonna stop making. So I'm not gonna say like for more. So bye, and have a good day.